The moment only now. Yeah, so we gon' be.
Короче, Секониннің каналына жазылыңыздар. Немесе Супербой. Бұл, короче, Гейм Қазақтың тобындағы жігіт. Қызықты видеолар шығарады, күлкілі. Еще мынандай қуатты видеолар шығады. Тек Майнкрафттан ғана емес, әртүрлі ойыннан, Happy Wheels, анау-мынау. И подписчик жиналған сайын конкурс болады. Каналға жазылыңдар, тіркеліңдер. Барлықтарына сәлем, сіздермен бірге Ана Геймер. Және летсплейімізді жалғастырамыз. Life is Strange деген.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Бұл серияда дауысы қатты шығуы мүмкін. Сөйлегендері. Мен доказательство сияқты алайын. Фотография жасап, ал вмешаться десем тек жаман болады. Ана жоқ кетті. Бак болып. Кайында нағыз ренжі қалады бізге.
Hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for nothing, Max. Man, I should have stepped in.
Все. Ренжі берсін. Бізге дос емес қой қыз. Бізге доказательство керек болады в будущем. Так, енді ана балаға бару керек. Парковкаға. Ана аяқта тұр.
Man, I should have done something. That guy was an asshole.
Блин, осы ойын ұнайды маған.
Get your ass over here.
Келе жатырмын.
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem.
Аблом.
Check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren. But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
I bet.
Ух
I heard Victoria got a
қыз
face full of paint.
боқтады ма,
I'd pay
вроде.
money to see a photo of that.
Чего?
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
Ага, спасибо.
Yeah, thanks. You had some cool shit on there, from Akira to Twilight Zone, which seems apropos today.
Что-то көп сөйлеп отыр мыналар.
Cultural pirate connoisseur.
That does sound better than thief.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal
Ха-ха.
Holocaust.
Не то, что рисовать.
No fucking way will I watch that. My mind is twisted enough.
I laughed my ass off.
So you're sensitive.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
Чего? И...
How so?
Sensitive usually means won't be having sex with you.
Oh god. You need a sensitive woman to kick your ass.
If I was lucky. Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
Да.
I don't want to speak about it. This is kind of a crazy day for me. I mean,
Лучше
I
айтпай
literally
қояйық,
think I'm going crazy.
біреуге
I may
өз
be a pest, but
проблемаңды
I'm a
айтып.
good listener.
For reals, Warren. This is between you and me. Not
И бұл
social
бала
media.
как-то
Don't
жақсы
insult
бола
me.
ма или жаман бола ма, кім біледі?
Go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing. Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right?
Все.
You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell me what you told the principal, now. Answer me, bitch.
Сказала
I
правду.
told him the truth. A student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why he dragged me into his office.
And did what? Give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though. They try.
Был
You should
какой-то
talk to
псих.
somebody, Nathan.
Do not analyze me. I pay people for that. Worry about yourself, Max Caulfield.
Так, я могу... Отойди. То
Take a
есть...
step back, Nathan Prescott.
Oh man, you're telling me what to do?
Get away from her, dude!
Оу.
Leave him alone!
Nobody tells me what to do. Not my parents, not the principal, or that whore in the bathroom.
Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Oh! Go! I got this!
Get in, Max!
Get your punk asses in there now! Don't even try to run. Nobody!
Менде выбор бар ма десем, оказывается, жоқ екен ғой.
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up and dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe. After 5 years,
Бұрынғы
you're still Max Caulfield.
подружка, походу. Өйткені прошло 5
Don't
лет,
give me the
деп
guilty
отыр.
face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you. Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Yes, it's been that kind of day. So what did that freak want with you?
Бить слайм.
Hopefully nothing after today. So, how do you know Nathan?
He's just another Arcadia asshole. Your friend really took a beat down for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
You're not the only one in debt. And you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
Мен сұрақты оқымай
I
қалдым. Ладно.
guess. It was cool, but I felt kind of lonely, out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're still a
Хипстер
smartass.
герл дейді.
Please, girl. You came back for
Блин,
Blackwell
микрофоным
Academy.
құлай беретін болды соңғы кезде.
Of course, it's one of the best photography programs in the country. And my favorite teacher, Mark Jefferson.
So you came back to Arcadia for a teacher, not your best friend.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Прости.
I'm sorry. I know things were tough on you when I left.
How do you know? You weren't even here.
I didn't order my parents to move specifically to fuck you over, Chloe.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know.
Мен пока аналар сөйлеп жатқанша
I just wanted to settle
микроны
in first and
жетей
not be such a shy, cliche
а то
geek.
неудобно тұра.
I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
Да. Подростки болғанда бұлар каба нема? Уже 18 жаста ма или 20 жаста ма? Или вообще
Man, are
16
you
ма?
serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step douche
Енді
doesn't follow
осы
those
серияда
rules. Maybe you can
аз
fix it in my
түсіруге
place.
I need
тырысам.
very specific tiny
Өйткені
photos.
Nerd alert. My
там
stepdad has a fully
20
stocked garage.
20-дан
And he actually
жоғары
has a tiny
минуттан.
pool.
То есть
Welcome home, Max.
ешкім көрмейтін сияқты. То есть ерінеді да көбісі. Сондықтан тек 20-дан төмен минут түсірем. Иә. кино сияқты
Come
ғой.
on in. Don't be shy.
The house still looks nice.
Home, shit, home.
Дом, хренов дом. Ну да. Кейбіреулер дом, милый дом десе нағыз как-то басқаша айтып жатыр. Ана жақта бір постер тұр. Бір түрлі.
My room looks a
Think
bit different than the
like
last
a
time
man.
you saw it.
It's cool. At least we can chill out.
This isn't exactly my chill out zone. My stepfuhrer makes sure of that. Come in and close the door. Put on some music while I medicate.
Врубай музыку.
It won't play without any power.
Без электричества. А вот, включить. И
Now let's see what kind of music Chloe is into these days. She looks super
можно
happy.
использовать.
She looks super sad. She looks super stoned.
Да. Смотреть.
I think this junk swallowed her discs.
А, диск. Музыковой үшін ба? Мусор смотреть можно. Зачем?
Would've thought Chloe wouldn't pay her
Не
parking
знаю.
tickets. She does love trouble.
Штраф, неправильную парковку. Ой, то есть за неправильную парковку. Тут коробка, может тут диски. Ну да, вот и диск. И походу это жаңағы қыз ғой, которая пропавшая деген.
Hey, give me that.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to be nosy. Obviously, she was a good friend.
Putting it mildly.
Это
That's
Рэйчел
Rachel
Эмбер.
Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
Yeah, I put them up. She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved,
Angel.
I felt abandoned. Rachel saved my life.
Man, I had no idea.
Well, you never made much effort to find out. I was 14. We were best friends.
Ну, ну, это
I never
грубо
forgot,
айтпақ қояйық.
even if I was an asshole and didn't keep in touch. But you had Rachel.
Rachel had my back. We were gonna kick the world's ass. You would laugh at how different we were. She wanted to be a star.
She looks like a model.
That was her plan. Our plan. Get the hell out of Bigfootville and into Los Angeles.
Так, что же произошло?
So what happened? Did your folks, your mom, try to stop you?
My mom was too busy hooked up with Sergeant Shithead.
I feel the
Oh,
love. Now, when did Rachel actually disappear?
6 months ago. She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me.
How do you know she
откуда ты
disappeared?
знаешь?
Maybe she wanted to start a totally new life.
Unlike you, she would have told me, okay? Something happened to her.
I believe you. I'm just trying to get all deductive.
Before Rachel left, she said she met somebody who changed her life. Then poof.
And you haven't heard anything from her since?
Like everybody in my life.
Онда как бы
My dad,
бір
you,
адам влиять еткен ғой,
Rachel.
чтобы ана қыздың кетіп қалған үшін.
Can you put on some music now?
Music. Все, енді вроде өлеңді тыңдауға болмайды. Мен не өткен жолы ана музыкадан кейін не чыкты да, короче. Типа права. Сондықтан енді что-то қоюға қорқам.
Anyway, you can find tools to fix your camera in the garage.
Chloe, are you okay?
Sure, I'm awesome. I just want to blaze and be alone for a moment.
Блин, мен ойлаймын видеода қайттан дауысы қат шығады деп ше. Поговорить можно. Чулан.
I shouldn't bug
Смотреть.
Chloe now. Plus, I need those tools.
Dude, you broke my glass snow dough.
Упс. Все? Бекер тидік.
We had such a blast drawing these together.
Типа анау комикс ғой. Прикольно. Так, в гараже, да? Вот. Не хаврая.